Welcome to Phone Transformer, your go-to guide for all things tech on your phone. Today, we're diving into how to change the picture quality mode on your phone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the camera. Step 2. Next, look for the 3 horizontal dots icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a tap. This will open up additional camera settings. Step 3. Tap on the settings. Step 4. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll until you find the picture quality option. Step 5. When you see it, tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll be presented with different quality options: high, standard, and low. To ensure your photos are at their best, tap on the high option. And that's it. You've now successfully set your phone's camera to capture images in high quality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.